Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a VPN to your laptop. First, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then open Settings. Inside Settings, choose Network and Internet. On the left side, click on VPN. Now you will see an option that says Add a VPN connection. Click on it. A new window will open. At the top, where it says VPN Provider, choose Windows Built-in. Next, type a name for your VPN connection. You can enter any name you like. In the server name or address box, type the information given by your VPN service provider. For VPN type, you can select automatic or choose the specific type your provider requires. In the Sign in Info section, choose how you want to log in. Most providers use a username and a password. Type your username and password if needed. When you are done, click Save. Now, you will see your new VPN connection listed under VPN settings. To connect, simply click on the VPN name and press Connect. Once it connects, your laptop will use the VPN for internet traffic. That is how you add and use a VPN on your laptop. Thanks for watching.